How to check if images and videos are AI generated. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Google. In Google, in the search bar, simply type in isfake.ai and then press on enter. You'll find this kind of screen. Here, click on Browse File. After you click on Browse File, you'll find all your photos and videos pop up. Select the photo or video you want to add and press on Open at the bottom. After you press on Open at the bottom, you'll find this kind of screen. Click on Check Image at the bottom right, and it will check image for you, and it will give answer at the bottom. As you can see, AI content detected in your image. And this is how to check if images and videos are AI generated. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.